I'm going to give you a couple reference points for perpendicular parking. That'll be your shoulder and your side view mirror. Line your shoulder up in the space before you're going to park and your mirror on the line that you're going into. One spin back to make your wheel straight. Put the curb below your side view mirror. When parking on the right, move your vehicle to the left side so you have more space. Again, use your right shoulder lined up in the space before you're going to park and your side view mirror on the first line that you're going into. Line your mirror up with the vehicle next to you, mirror to mirror. Open your door, you can check the line.